Welcome. If you're looking to update the website link on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the process is now even more streamlined and user-friendly. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the new way to change your website on your Facebook page, so you can keep your followers up to date with your latest info. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, showing all the pages you manage. Select the page where you want to update the website information. Once you're on your page, look for the menu on the left side, or just under your page's cover photo. Find and click on the About section. This is where all your page details are stored. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Website. Next to your current website link, you'll notice a small Edit icon, which looks like a pencil. Click on that Edit icon. A box will pop up, allowing you to make changes to your website link. Simply delete the old link and type in your new website address. Double-check to make sure you've entered it correctly. This is important so your visitors don't get sent to the wrong place. Once you're happy with your new website link, look for the Save button and click it. That's it. Your Facebook page now displays your updated website, and anyone visiting your page will see the new link. Updating your website on Facebook is a quick and easy way to make sure your audience always has the most current information about your business or project. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.